How to install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11. And on this tutorial, we'll also create a simple HTML file to get you started. Now without wasting any time, let's dive in this process. At first, you'll have to open the Microsoft Store from your start menu. So simply you have to go the taskbar at the bottom, and from the source field you'll have to search for Microsoft Store. Alright, so after you find the Microsoft Store, you'll have to just open that. Okay, so after you open the Microsoft Store, you'll got such interface. So from your at the top, you'll have to click on search bar, and in the search bar section you'll have to search for VS Code. Alright, so after you search it, hit the enter. Okay, so after you search for the VS Code on the Microsoft Store, you can easily get the Visual Studio Code from the App Developers tool. So simply you have to click on that Visual Studio. Alright, so as you can see, here is the Visual Studio Code from the Microsoft Corporation. So basically this VS Code is one of the most powerful lightweight code editor made by the Microsoft. So now it's free, fast and perfect for web development, Python, JavaScript and more. So you will see the official app by Microsoft. So from here you have to just click on the install option. So the installation will take a moment depending on your internet speed. Okay, so after you install the Visual Studio Code on your PC or laptop, you'll have to just exit from the Microsoft Store, and from there again at the bottom in the search bar you'll have to search for VS Code. Alright, so after you find the VS Code here, click on open. Alright, so once you are open VS Code for the first time, you might see a welcome screen. So you can skip this intro from here, or you can also explore it later. So simply you have to just skip it. Alright, so now on the VS Code section you will get a lot of options from here. So basically from here the main features, like you have to go the like of extension from here. So from the extension section you can install a lot of extension based on your programming from here. So you can install C++, C, extension pack, C++ learner, or you can also install like PHP. Alright, so now from here we will create a simple HTML file to get you started. So for that you'll have to just create a folder here. So for that, click on that file option just at the top left corner. Alright, so from here you can directly open any folder from here. So simply click on that open folder, and from here you'll have to just select the drive where you want to make the folder. So it will be on the drive, and from here I will create a new folder here. So the folder will be like coding, and after you create the folder you'll have to just select that folder and click on that select folder option. Alright, so after you created a folder you'll got such interface. So from here you'll have to just click on the option yes, I trust the authors. Alright, so after you create the folder here you'll got such interface. So from this folder section you'll get options like create a new file. So simply you have to click on that create a new file option. Alright, so from here we are doing a simple HTML file. So from here I will make a file like demo.html. Alright, so as you can see, after I give the extension like .html, it will automatically set the log of HTML file here. So simply after doing it, hit the enter. Alright, so as you can see, the demo.html has been created, and now from here I can simply type the random HTML file here. Okay, so here I will create this random text here. Okay, so as you can see, we have created this random demo for the HTML file, and after you complete it you can as usual check it by opening on your browser. So for that you'll have to just move with the option go live just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so as you can see, the HTML file we have been created is now live on the browser. So in this way you can also create your HTML file or any other programming files, and from here you can also install the extension for that HTML or any other languages from here. So in this way you can use the Visual Studio Code on your PC or laptop. So this app might be helpful for you to do any programming language on this app. And that's it. This is the easiest and simplest method to install Visual Studio Code on your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. See you on next one.